very warm welcome to everyone gathered here for Sangeeta Sandhya, an evening dedicated to Hindustani musical and tabla rhythms. It's a pleasure to have you all here tonight, celebrating this rich and soulful tradition with us. Before we begin today's event, as we mark our temple's Varshikotsavam event this week, let's all take a moment to express our gratitude to our SV Lotus Temple Perumal for his abundant grace and blessings upon our community. Let's together wish, pray and seek his blessings on this auspicious and joyful occasion. Jai Shri Manarayana. So, without further ado, let us embark on today's musical journey. Kicking off our event today, we have a captivating tabla solo performance by Abhay Kulkarni on tabla, and then Pandit Shri Amritesh Kulkarni ji on harmonium. Please give a big round of applause to Abhay and Shri Amritesh Kulkarni ji. So, there are two segments to today's event. So, Shri Amritesh Kulkarni ji, our versatile artist tonight, he will be performing on the first segment, he's going to perform the harmonium piece, and on the second segment, he's going to accompany the main artist on the tabla. So please give a big round of applause to Abhay Kulkarni and his father, Amritesh Kulkarni ji. So we'll start with a little introduction of our artists for tonight. So as you all know, Abhay Kulkarni on tabla. So Abhay Kulkarni began his tabla journey at the age of 4 under his father, Pandit Shri Amritesh Kulkarni ji, sitting next to him, and later studied with Pandit Dr. Satish Hampiholi ji in Bangalore, who's also here. He specializes in Dilli Gharana and emphasizes the versatility of switching between Gharanedar compositions. Beyond tabla, Abhay is dedicated to both academics and fine arts, and he holds a master's degree in electronics from University of Cincinnati. Currently, he works as an electronics engineer at Automated Precision, Rockwell. Abhay has earned notable musical accolades, including the Alankar from ABGMV Mandal and Vidwat with distinction from Government of Karnataka. He has performed at prestigious venues in India and US and collaborated with renowned artists such as Anupama Bhagwat and Phil Scarf. During the pandemic, Abhay also showcased his tabla skills on various online platforms, including Arto India and UC Studios USA. His achievements include awards like Bharata Pratibhe, Karnataka Kalashri from the Government of Karnataka, India, and the Award of Excellence from Canara Bank. He received scholarships from Kannada and Cultural Department, Sadguru Music Academy, and Government of India's CCRT. During the Silver Jubilee celebration of Sadguru Music Academy, the album Avartana was released featuring a Jugalbandi by Abhay Kulkarni and Shri Amit Bhatt. Abhay credits his success to his gurus and supporters whose guidance enriched his learning journey. Please give a big round of applause to Abhay Kulkarni. And we have Amritesh Kulkarni ji on harmonium for this segment. Vidwan Shri Amritesh Kulkarni ji has had a lifelong passion for music and literature, showing interest from a very young age. He began learning tabla under the guidance of late Shri Prahlada Mokashri and later advanced his skills under the renowned tabla player Pandit Shri Hampiholi ji. So Vidwan Amritesh Kulkarni ji is known for his cheerful personality and his mastery in teaching tabla with deep passion and joy. His teaching style is so engaging that students often lose track of time, fully immersed in his learning process. He holds high ranks in Vidwat and Visharada degree examinations and also holds a diploma in mechanical engineering. Currently, he works at L&T. In 2002, under his guru's guidance, Vidwan Amritesh ji established Sri Guru Samarth Sangeet Vidyalaya, where he imparts training to numerous students. He has been honored with several awards for his dedication to art, including the Swara Kala Gaurav, Sri Raghavendra Sadbhavana Award, and Jnana Yogi Panchakshara Prashasti. He is also recognized for his tabla accompaniment skills, having performed with many singers, earning widespread appreciation for his contributions to music. So that's Amritesh Kulkarni ji on harmonium for this segment. Thank you so much. So over to you, Abhay.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming this evening. This is a very special evening for me. My Guru and Bade Guru are in front of me, and I'll try to present Tal Teen Tal, which is of 16 beats, and the traditional compositions starting with Peshkar, then Kaida, then some Rela, which is an improvisation part. Then I will switch to fixed compositions like Gat, Chakradhar, and finally I will do some Padant. I'll show how the bowls go. So thank you again. This is Teen Tal. धा धा तिट्ट क्र धा तिट्ट धा धा तिट्ट धा तिट्ट धा गे ना धा धा तिट्ट धा गे तिन्ना किन्ना ता तिट्ट ता ता तिट्ट क्र ता तिट्ट ता ता तिट्ट धा तिट्ट धा गे ना धा धा तिट्ट कायदा. First qaida I played was a Delhi-based qaida, Delhi Gharana. So this is also a Delhi Gharana, which involves the syllable tirakita. The first qaida had tita in it. Tha tirakita tha tita gena tha te gena dhena gena tha tirakita tha tita gena tha te gena tena gena ta tirakita ta tita gena ta te gena tena gena tha tirakita tha tita gena tha te gena dhena gena धादर धाते तागिना धाते गिना धिना गिना 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 धा. गिन धागे तिर धा घेड नग तिंग तिनागिन तक 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 धिंग धिनागिन तक 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 धिंग धिनागिन धिंग धिनागिन धागे तिर धा घेड नग तिंग तिनागिन ता. It's a composition of my bade Guruji Pandit Basavaraj Pendigiri. speed composition compared to what I just played. तिर किट तक धिर धिर किट तक धा तिट घेड़ नग तिन्ना किट तक ता तिर किट तक धीर धीर किट तक था तिट घेड नग धेन्ना किट तक Now I'll be playing some fixed compositions. Dhit dhit traka dhit dhaga thita taga thita krda thita taga thita taga traka tina kina dhit dhit traka dhit tagan na tha traka dhit tagan na tha traka dhit tagan na tha. Thita thita taga thita krda thita taga thita krda thita krda thita krda thita taga thita ka thita taga na dhit tagan na dhit ta kara dhit 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 tagan na dhit ta ka thita thita taga na dhit taga na tha kata kata ka thita taga na thita taga na dhit taga na tha kata kata ka thita taga na thita taga na dhit taga na tha. This is called Gad Mukda. Dhit dhit traka dhit dhira dhira kita taka dhing dhing ta ka dhir dhir ta ka dhir dhir ta na tha ka dhir dhir ta na tha ka dhir dhir ta na tha ka tha dhir dhir. Next, I'll be playing Farmaishi Chakradhar, which is a composition that repeats itself 3 times. Chakradhar. Ka-ti, ta, tha, ka-ti, ta. This is a composition by Ustad Allah Rakha Khan Sahab, Abbaji. It's called Gopuchayati because of the structure of the rhythmic pattern. It's a very special composition. Din na da din na da din na ta ka din na ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha ka ti ta gin ta ra ka ti ta ka ti ta ka ta na tha na ta ka ta ka ti ta ka ta ka ti ta ka ta na ka ti ta ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha na ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha na ka ti ta tha 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 ka ti ta gin ta ra ka ti ta ka ti ta ka ti ta ka tha na tha na ta ka ta ka ti ta ka ti ta ka ti ta ka ta na ka ti ta ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha na ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha na ka ti ta tha 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 ka ti ta gin ta ra ka ti ta ka ti ta ka ti ta tha na tha na ta ka ta ka ti ta ka ti ta ka ti ta ka ta na ka ti ta ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha na ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha na ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha ka ti ta tha. फरमाइशी चक्रधार.
that was a mesmerizing performance by Abhay and Mr. Amritesh Kulkarni ji. We are spellbound and it was truly amazing, and it was a true delight to actually watch the father and son duo perform at our SC Lotus temple today. Thank you both so much. Thank you. So we will be moving on to the next segment. So as the artists are preparing while they're setting up things, I would like to read out the bios of our main artists for tonight. So today we have these esteemed artists from India. I would like to read out the bios of our first performer. He is Pandit Dr. Mrityunjay Shettar. He is a renowned figure in Hindustani classical music, celebrated internationally for his distinctive style. He trained under legends like Dr. Mallikarjuna Mansoor and Pandit Basavaraja Rajguru. From Dhawad, he began his musical journey at the age of 6 and holds a postgraduate qualification in vocal music. Dr. Shettar's renditions are known for their natural firat, impeccable rhythm, and imaginative content, capturing experts and music lovers alike. He excels in rare ragas of the Jaipur Gharana and has directed documentaries on music for the Kendra Sangeeta Nataka Academy. His performances span a wide range of musical genres like Thumri, Dadra, Kajri, Chalti, Thap, Ragamala, Rangageet, Bhavageet, Bhakti Geet, Marathi Natya Sangeet, Abhang, Bhajans, Taran, Lokgeet and folk. He has been honored with numerous prestigious awards worldwide. Rashtriya Gaurav Award, Sangeeta Ratnakar Award, Swarashri, Swarasagar, Gana Gandharva, Gana Kokila, Swara Bhaskar, Sarang Dhareshwar, Apurva Ninadashri, just to name a few. A born artist, Dr. Shettar is a very good orator, actor, painter, poet, playwright, director, and also a mimic. And performed all over the world, and it's a pleasure to have him here today. Please give a big round of applause to him, Dr. Shettar. So joining him on tabla is Pandit Dr. Satish Hampiholi ji here. So Pandit Dr. Satish Hampiholi, a maestro whose tabla beats resonate deeply with every listener. Born in 1965 in Hubli, he comes from a family rich in musical tradition from Hampiholi in Belgaum district. Under the guidance of eminent teachers, he achieved a postgraduate degree and prestigious titles like Visharad and Vidat, earning a gold medal in tabla. A distinguished A-grade artist with Akashvani and Doordarshan, Pandit Dr. Satish Hampiholi ji has accompanied renowned musicians such as Pandit Chandrasekhar Puranik, Pandit Vinayak Torvi and Dr. Shyamala Bhave, to name a few, on prestigious platforms worldwide. His performances have taken him to the US, Dubai, Canada, showcasing the rich legacy of Indian classical music. Beyond performing, he passionately guides and trains aspiring musicians, contributing significantly to the music community. His numerous accolades include awards like Vishveshwaraya Navaratna and Gana Bharati Sangeeta Seva Puraskar, Karnataka Bharata Rasa Gana Gangadhara, Sangeeta Dhama Kaustubha, Kalatapasvi, Atreya Kalabhushana, reflecting his national and international acclaim. Please give a big round of applause. One of his legendary achievements is the event where he created an ensemble of 100 tabla percussionists and created an electrifying rhythm. Please join me in welcoming this legendary Pandit ji, Dr. Satish Hampiholi ji here. On harmonium, we have a very talented youngster, Ruturaj Shetty. So Rutajit Shetty is currently a senior at Walter Johnson High School, Bethesda, and is committed to American University's Business School for this coming fall. He started vocal Carnatic lessons with Srimati Nirmala Ramaswamy at the age of 7 and continued with Srimati Deepa Vivekanandan. He is now learning Carnatic vocal from Sri Vignesh Subramaniam. Rutajit started playing harmonium in 2018 for Sai Bhajans under the tutelage of Sri Sanket Modi from Mumbai. Rutajit is an active member of Jnanananda Seva Samaj, playing harmonium for Dakshina Sampradaya bhajans regularly. He also participates in various temple and spiritual organizations in the DC metro area. Please give a big round of applause as they grace the stage.
So, Om Shri Narayan. Good evening to all of you for coming and joining this program. A divine disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahansa and a patriotic monk of India, Vivekananda says, music is the highest art, and to those who understand it, it is the highest worship. And Tagore says, Gurudev Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore, God respects me when I work, but He loves me when I sing. Our music is just not entertainment, it is enlightenment. Music is not just a recreation, it's a realization. It is a journey towards Ahatanada to Anahatanada. Today, I am fortunate enough to perform in front of such an enlightened audience. Pandit Dr. Satish Ampiodi is the world-renowned tabla player who has accompanied salvars of the world. And even today, Abhay is getting so many things. Today morning I have seen. So I'm really, really honored. Such a great tabla player with me today. And give a big round of applause for him. I'm really honored to have a very young, talented Rutaji. Beautiful hands and very sweet hands. So may I request once again a big round of applause for him also. And in front of me, all greatest music lovers, musicians, vocalists, some sitar players, some very good artists in front of me. And I'll start with Rag Yaman. मोहे दरस दीजो दीजो मोहे दरस दीजो दीजो के पा के जय इतने मोबे के पा के जय इतने मोबे हरि बन बाजा हे मोरे राजा मोहे दरस दीजो मांगत नाही मायादरचन मांगत इतनु मन रंगतोसे गरीबन बाजा हे मोरे राजा मोहे दरस दीजो It's called Mubanta. It closes your mouth and you. घाघर में सागर भरना बोलता है ना, ऐसा है. So since it is 54th year on the stage, and my great guru, Pandit Dr. Milkar Mansurji, used to teach me. And since 40 years, the globe, myself and Panditji, we have traveled almost all over the globe. And you have heard their performance today. Actually, I was like dancing. So may I request a big round of applause for both of them? Not for me, for him. And Abhayji and Amruteshji played so well today. A great Lailaji in front of me. It's a great honor, and a great Ashwin Baligaji. I'm really, really honored. So I'll sing 2-3 minutes. Nat Bihar. Ashwinji. So, before I start this Ram Bhajan, if you want me to sing any Dadra or something, ma'am? Ashwinji? Yeah. Yeah. It's once again, it's a great honor to sing with Amruteshji. Ashwinji. Jamunaba Kidar जमुनवा की दार तोडला हिराज तोडला हिराज तोडला राजा मैं तोडला जमुनवा की दार जमुनवा की दार जमुनवा की दार तोडला अरे सोने की थाली में जुमना परोसो सोने की थाली में जुमना 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 परोसो मोरे जवैया गंगा के पार ओ मोरे जवैया गंगा के पार मोरी जवैया गंगा के पार गंगा के पार तोडला जमुनवा की दार जमुनवा की दार तोडला हिराज तोडला हिराज तोडला राजा मैं तोडला बाल अवस्था खेल गवायो जब जवानी तब मान धना रे जब जवानी तब मान धना रे बीत गए दिन भजन बिना रे बीत गए दिन बीत गए दिन बीत गए दिन भजन बिना रे भजन बिना हरे भजन बिना हरे भजन बिना हरे नाम बिना रे बीत गए दिन बाल अवस्था खेल गवायो बाल अवस्था बाल अवस्था खेल गवायो जब जवानी तब धनारे जब जवानी तब मान धनारे वेद वेद भजन बिना रे वेद वेद काहे कारण मोल गवायो काहे कारण काहे कारण काहे कारण मोल गवायो मोल गवायो मोल गवायो मोल गवायो काहे कारण काहे कारण मोल गवायो अजगुन गई मन के तृष्णार अजगुन गई मन के तृष्णार कहत कबीरा सवेरा सुनो भाई साधो, पार उतर गए संत जनारे, पार उतर गए संत जनारे, पार उतर गए, पार उतर गए, पार उतर गए संत जनारे। बीत गए दिन भजन बिना, बीत गए दिन भजन बिना, बीत गए दिन भजन बिना। What are we doing? Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram Nama ಭಜಿಸಿದವಗೆ ಉಂಟೆ ಭವದ ಬಂಧನ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಭಜಿಸಿದವಗೆ ಉಂಟೆ ಭವದ ಬಂಧನ. ಕಾಮಹರಣ ಸತಿಯು ಸದಾ ನೇಮದಿಂದ ಭಜಿಸುವ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಶಿವನು ಧನ್ಯನಾದ ಯುವತಿ ಪರಮ ಪಾವನೆಯಾದಳು. ಶಿವನು ಧನ್ಯನಾದ ಯುವತಿ ಪರಮ ಪಾವನೆಯಾದಳು. ರಮೆಯ ಸುತನು ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆದ ಧ್ರುವನು ದಿವಿಜನೆನಿಸಿದ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಭಜಿಸಿದವ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್ 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 ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್. ಕರಿವರ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ದ್ರೌಪದಿ ಪರವಿಭೀಷಣರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ರಾಮ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸದಾ ಹರುಷ ಭರಿತರಲ್ಲವೇ. ಗಿರಿಜೆ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರದಿಂದ ಪರಮ ಮಂಗಳೆಯಾದಳು. ಗಿರಿಜ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರದಿಂದ, ಗಿರಿಜ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರದಿಂದ, ಗಿರಿಜ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರದಿಂದ ಪರಮ ಮಂಗಳೆಯಾದಳು. ವರದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ವಿಠಲರಾಯ, ಗೋಪಾಲ ವರದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ವಿಠಲರಾಯ, ದುರಿತ ಕಾನನ ಪಾವಕ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ. श्री अनंत मधुसूदना 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 पद्मनाभनारायण 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 श्री अनंत मधुसूदना 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 सकल देवादि देव सकल देवादि देव कृपाळु त्वाजी केशव कृपाळु त्वाजी केशव महानंद महानुभाव महानंद महानुभाव सदाशिवा सहज रूप पद्मनाभनारायण 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 अकाय सगुण निर्गुणागः जग जनित जग जीवना जग जनित जग जीवना वसुदेव देवकी नंदना वसुदेव देवकी नंदना वसुदेव देवकी नंदना वसुदेव देवकी नंदना बाळ रांगणा बाळ कृष्ण बाळ रांगणा आकाय सगुण निर्गुणा जग जनित जग जीवना वसुदेव देवकी नंदना वसुदेव देवकी नंदना बाळ रांगणा बाळ कृष्ण बाळ रांगणा बाळ कृष्ण कानालो लागणी माझा ठाव शाव ही चरणी हीच गरी गसे निलवाणी हीच गरी गसे निलवाणी भवबंधनी सोडवावे भवबंधनी सोडवावे भवबंधनी सोडवावे भवबंधनी सोडवावे पद्मनाभा सकल देवादि देव कृपाणो पाजी केशव कृपाणो पाजी केशव महानंद महानुभव महानंद महानुभव सदाशिवा सहज रूप पद्मनाभा नारायण पद्मनाभा नारायण 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 पद्मनाभा 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 नारायण पद्मनाभा नारायण पद्मनाभा नारायण So, lastly, Bhairavi. तो मत सताओ तोरे बिन मोरा श्यामा तोरे बिन मोरा श्यामा चैन नाहे देना रे चैन नाहे देना रे गोपे चंद्रा दानी दसनी सनी द पद पनि दानी द प म प म द प द प म गा म दानी सनी स गा म दानी सनी स गा म धानी सनी स राह तोरी देखी अब तो वो मत सता तोरे मोरा श्यामा चैन नाहे देना रे चैन नाहे देना रे तू तो चंद्रा जामा जुगान तोरे साथ जुगान तोरे साथ तू 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 चंद्रा जा big round of applause for Pandit Satish Ampiwade ji. It's a great honor to have him today and singing with him, singing with all these very good artists. Really honored. Thanks for coming and thanks for joining. I don't know how far I have justified this call. So once again, thank you so much. Yep.
Panditji, we are truly blessed and honored to have you here in our SV Lotus temple on the occasion of our Varshikotsavam. So thank you so much, and what we witnessed now is like a magical musical masterpiece, and our hearts are dancing with joy. We are not physically dancing, but as you said, our hearts are dancing with joy, and we are all charged up for carrying our Perumal, who's waiting up for in the main Sannidhi to go around the temple on Garuda Vahanam. So thank you so much, and big round of applause to these wonderful artists, and thank you so much, Abhay, for initiating this program. And then we have Satya Garu from our temple management, who's going to honor the main artist today. And I'd like Kasturi Garu, if you can. So first of all, I would like to thank our temple management for actually having provided the opportunity for hosting the event here today. So can you please give a big round of applause to our temple management. And this could not have been possible without our Kasturi Garu, who has kind of initiated and who have supported end to end. I mean, he set up everything and he did a great job, and so big round of applause to him as well on that. And thank you, Satya Garu, and if you can also felicitate our Panditji. Chandra Garu, if you can. Amritesh Kulkarni ji. Yeah, from the- And last but not the least, let's give a big round of applause to Ruttujit, who is like, it's not easy to perform with such legendary people, right? So it's a great start for him and we are happy. And please give a big round of applause to him as well. Abhay? I know. So we are glad to have Abhay as part of our cultural team. So thank you so much, Abhay, for not just for the event, but we also appreciate all the hard work and all the effort you're putting in to have these wonderful events for us. Thank you so much, Satya Garu. We are very happy that Satya Garu, I think there's a huge event upstairs, but he has taken time to come here and felicitate our artists. So I'm very happy and big round of applause to him as well.